We'll hear argument this morning in Case 23-719, Trump versus Anderson. Mr. Mitchell?
The Colorado Supreme Court held that President Donald J. Trump is constitutionally disqualified from serving as president under Section 3 of the 14th Amendment. The Colorado Supreme Court's decision is wrong and should be reversed for numerous independent reasons. The first reason is that President Trump is not covered by Section 3 because the president is not an officer of the United States, as that term is used throughout the Constitution.
What if somebody came into a Secretary of State's office and said, I took the oath specified in Section 3, I participated in an insurrection, and I want to be on the ballot? Does the Secretary of State have the authority in that situation to say, no, you're disqualified?
No, the Secretary of State could not do that consistent with term limits, because even if the candidate is an admitted insurrectionist, Section 3 still allows the candidate to run for office and even win election to office, and then see whether Congress lifts that disability after the election. This happened frequently in the wake of the 14th Amendment, where Confederate insurrectionists were elected to Congress, and sometimes they obtained a waiver, sometimes they did not.
Well, even though it's pretty unlikely, or at least would be difficult for an individual who says, you know, I am an insurrectionist and I had taken the oath, that would require 2/3 of votes in Congress, right?
Correct.
Well, this is a pretty unlikely scenario.
It may be unlikely, but no Secretary of State is permitted to predict the likelihood of a waiver.
You want us to say that self-execution doesn't mean what it generally means. You want us now to say it means that Congress must permit states or require states to stop insurrectionists from taking state office. Mm-hmm. And so this is a complete preemption in a way that's very rare, isn't it?
Well, that's the only thing I would disagree.
It's rare under the 14th Amendment.
Oh, of course it's rare. This is a one-off situation.